Okay, let me give you another example here. Find out the equation of a line that passes through this point and this point. You see, all the examples that I've given you in the past, when you draw the graph, this is your y, this is your x. I normally give you 2 points. The thing is, all the points that I've given you in the past, they're all in the positive quadrant. Now I'm going to give you points there where it could be in this quadrant. So one point could be here, 1 point could be here. Okay, so you've got this line here, or 1 point could be in this quadrant, and then another point could be in this quadrant. But oops, I missed. Or I can give you another point here in this quadrant, and another point in this quadrant. So in which case it would be like this. Well, anyway, if you look at this this problem here, find out the equation that passes through this point and this point. So minus 5 minus 4. So the first point would be in this quadrant here. Okay. The second point here would be in this quadrant. Okay. So hang on. Let's plot this. Let's locate this point here. Minus 5 minus 4. So remember, it's always across first, and then down, the up and down second. So minus 5 minus 4. So it would be right here. Minus 5 across, minus 4. So the first point would be here. The second point, 11, 2. Well, across 11, positive 2. So the second point will be here. So really, we want to know the equation of this line. Oh, missed again. The equation of this line here. Okay. So well, as soon as you got your straight line, it would be y equals mx plus c. But the thing is, normally you see when two points are in the same quadrant, the method of working out the gradient, the method of working out this length is different, because you would get this, take away this. But here you don't take away. Here, if you want to know the gradient, well, if you want to know the length across here, you don't take away. You see, this point here is 11 comma 2, and this point here is minus 5 comma minus 4. You see, when 2 points are in the same quadrant, you would normally get this, take away this. But here, you see, if you want to know this length here, from here to here, you know it's 11, and then here it's 5. Well, here the distance here, I know it's minus 5, but I'm saying the distance is actually 5. Okay. Well, anyway, from here to here is 11. So when they're in the same, well, anyway, if you want to know this length here, you have to get this plus this. Okay, it has to be a plus. Well, when you're up here, you would get this, take away this. But because one point is in this quadrant and the other point is in the, well, anyway, to find out the whole length here, you would need to get this number. Okay, hang on. You would need to get this number here, add this number here, but you don't actually add. You ignore the negative. Okay. Well, just for the time being, just follow it through. Okay. So this whole length here is 16. Okay, 16. Now the height here, well, from here to here is 2. Okay, and then from here to down here is actually 4. Yeah, even though there's a minus here, just accept it's 4. Okay, this is 2 up. So the whole height here would be 6. Okay, so the gradient would be the height. It's always the height divided by the width. So it would be 6 divided by 16. So this m here is actually 6 over 16. plus C. Okay. Now when we get to this stage here, we've got to find out C. So we select one point on the line. We could use this point, or we could use this point here. Let's use this one here because we want to avoid negative numbers. It's just more work because later on you've got to get positive times a negative, negative times a negative. That would be, well, it's just too much hassle. Choose this point here because everything's positive. So now this is your x, this is your y here. So we've got to put the 11, which is the x. Oh, sorry, this is the x here. Okay, so it's 6x over 16. We've got to put the 11 here into the x, into this x here. Okay, and then because this is our y here, we've got to put the 2 into the y here. So our equation. Let me just copy this bit down here. Okay, so y equals 6. Well, hang on. Let me just copy it again. 6. I'm just copying it. Okay, so now we are putting the 11 into the x here, and we are putting the 2 into the y here. So it's pretty much the same as before. So hang on. So 6 times 11, because we are putting the 11 into the x. So 6 times 11 would be 66 over 16 plus c, and then y is 2. So we put 2 into here. Okay. So now so hang on. Let's think. Sorry. So let's just get this. So at the moment you've got this equals this plus this. So take away this block from both sides. So it would be 2 minus 66 over 16 equals c. Okay. So now turn this bit into a fraction because we want to merge the two together. So it will be 2 over 1 minus 66 over 16. Now, in order for us to add fractions, the two denominators need to be the same. So times top and bottom here by 16. Okay. So 2 times 16, 32, and then 1 times 16 is 16. So basically 6. I'm just rewriting the number 2 as this fraction here. Okay, because this fraction here is the same as number 2. Okay, take away 66 over 16 equals c. So here you've got so now the two denominators are the same. You can merge the two together. Okay, so it would be 32 take away 66. 32 take away 66 equals c. Now the question is, what is 32 take away 66? Sorry, take away 66. So let's draw our diagram here. Well, you start at 32, which is let's just say it's here, 32, and then you go to minus 66. So well you would start here, and then you've got to minus 66. So let's say this is 66 here. So you want to know where you are at this point here. So well, if you think about it, from here to here is 66 long. Okay, 66 whatever long. Okay, from here to here is 32. So all you have to do, if you want to know this address here, well, just get 66, which is this length here, take away 32 for the time being. So basically, get this whole length here, and then take away 32 here, and then whatever the answer is, then stick a minus in front of it, because we're in the negative realm. Okay, so this is 0 here, and well, anyway, so just get 66, take away 32. So this would be, so this would be 6 take away 2 would be 4. This one, 6 take away 3 would be 3. So this here is 30. The length here is 30 34. But because we're in the negative realm, let's just stick a minus in front of it. So 32 take away 66 is minus 34. Okay, over 16 equals C. So C equals this. Now let's go back to the original formula here. So now looking back at this here, we now know C. So let's put that into C. So let me just rewrite this whole thing again. So y equals 6x over 16 plus C. C is minus 34 over 16. So hang on, this is plus C. This is our C here. So we've got to put minus 34 over 16 into the C. Minus 34 over 16. Okay. Now, so take this minus out and put it out here. Now the minus is more powerful than the plus, so it supersedes the plus. So this will be a minus. Remember, we've just taken it out. Okay. So basically, you can imagine putting your hand into the bubble, take the minus out. Okay. So now this equals this. Now it's just a matter of this fraction. Take away this fraction. Now the two denominators are the same. We can merge. So it would be this 6x minus 32. 34. Sorry, 34. Okay. So this is the equation for that line. For this line here. Okay. So this is our equation.